So the video that I made on copyright, it was a general video just talking about whether or not we need to copyright our work. That was the basic purpose of copyright, and what the process would look like at a bird's eye view. That was going on their website and following the process. And I have gone through what the process is, so I'll link that video for you. But you can get that information from their website itself. You don't even have to watch my video for that. Copyright, I have a lot of questions about how to register for copyright and specific discrepancies that people get. The first thing I want to point out is that I'm not an expert on copyright. Here on my channel, I share only my experiences.
Copyright Office of Government of India, and I quote, "No, acquisition of copyright is automatic and it does not require any formality. Copyright comes into existence as soon as a work is created and no formality is required to be completed for acquiring copyright. However, certificate of registration of copyright and the entries made therein serve as prima facie evidence in a court of law with reference to dispute relating to ownership of copyright."
Then there were some questions related to copyright when it comes to copyrighting your work before submitting it to a traditional publisher or submitting it to any other type of publisher. Now, in my opinion, and what I know from having author friends in self-publishing and in traditional publishing, you generally don't need to copyright your work before you submit your work for their evaluation. You don't need to do that. Most likely, if you're going for a submission, there will be some changes that the publisher will ask you to make, and in traditional publishing, they are going to take care of that. Now the question comes to, you want to protect your work when you're submitting it to someone, and if you want to protect yourself, go ahead and register it. But I wouldn't do it for my work, firstly. Secondly, when I am going for copyright, I will not copyright the work that the manuscript that I'm working on right now. I have decided that I'll copyright the final version of my manuscript. And since I'm a self-published author and I'm not planning to approach any traditional publisher, or for that matter, even self-publishing companies, I don't need to worry about that fact. A lot of questions come for editors when you're submitting your work to editors. A good editor is not in the business of taking your work. Okay, that's my experience. Your experience can be different. If you're working with a legitimate editor, they're not interested in being shady. With my work, I will register my manuscript only when I am absolutely sure that this is the final version of it. And the way I would go about it probably is, once my book is published, that's the version I'm going to go and get it registered. And you can use the term copyright even if you have not registered it, and you can do your own research, look it up on the copyright website and see how you can do that for yourself. Is it safe to submit your manuscript to a publisher? You have to do your due diligence in vetting the publishers you're submitting your manuscript to. People who are in the business for the right reasons will not scam you. But you have to do the work to figure out whether they are scammers or not. If you come across a publisher that you have not heard of, or you're considering hiring them or working with them, go to Amazon, see the kind of books that they have published in the past. If you can, approach the authors of those books, ask them what has been their experience working with the publisher, but do your due diligence. No one is looking out for your interest. You have to do that for yourself. Now I'm more or less done with packing my bag, so I just decided to take my tablet. I also took a small notebook just because it's easy to carry and I can just write things down. And I'll see you in the next one.